41 News.
Memory is defined who we are. I set out trying to understand one very simple thing, something that you learn when you are very young, and how do you remember it for throughout your life.
Well, we first told you about Kauzik C's work last year. He's researching what keeps memories alive and how disease can lead to memory loss. And he's studying it all through fruit flies. Yeah, fruit flies. They have strong memory components. So C has been looking into individual cells and proteins. The hope is understanding those parts can help us understand more about the human brain.
The reason I'm very hopeful is that the people are also focusing equally intensely on this side, a good side of memory, how we make a memory. And as we learn more and more about both sides, there's a chance of making progress. It gets better and better and better. And that's why I'm eternally hopeful. And I think what else we have but hope.
Well, that hope now receiving a big funding push. KSHP 41's Megan Abundance met up with the Stowers Institute Scientific Director.
In June, I spoke with Kauzik C, learning about his research, using fruit flies, working to understand how some memories stay with us for the rest of our lives and others don't.
You are always surprised. As a scientist, you do science, and your biggest reward is that when something you thought may work and it actually works.
Kauzik will tell you that as humans live longer and memory diseases are more prevalent, there's a push to look at Alzheimer's, Huntington's, and Parkinson's through a new lens. Today, his paradigm-shifting work is progressing, and many are taking notice, including Priscilla Chan and Mark Zuckerberg. Their foundation recognized him with a coveted award, elevating his research and grant dollars for his continued unorthodox findings. They're looking for new ideas in the area of neurodegenerative diseases. So now he plans to look at manipulating memories by changing the stability or the duration of them.
What we want to test, you have different types of memory. Memories that stay with for a couple of days or memory casts for years. But then within that, you sometimes have a good memory, sometimes you have bad memory. What we are trying to see, this phenomena we discovered, that this protein, when it clumps, it's involved in certain type of memory. If we change the nature of the clump, can we either make memory last longer, or can we make memory disappear?
He believes the recognition allows more people to be interested and help solve the problem of these memory diseases.
It's a bit bold, and the idea itself is somewhat new, so I think that's why they liked it. That we are proposing to do something that actually both technologically and conceptually different from what traditionally people have been doing.
He says it's work nearly impossible anywhere else than in our backyard at the Stowers Institute. In Kansas City, I'm Megan Abundance, KSHP 41 News.